The Woody, that's what's behind me. This is the Woody. This is a manufacturing assembly line home we hope to build right here, 10 by 24. Now this is a custom home. There's a couple things that are added to this home that's not included in our 59.9 10 by 24, 59.9. Everybody, this is nuts. It's all wood. That's why we call it the Woody. I'll tell you the things that are on here that are not included in the 59.9. But what is included is a mini split. You have a heating and cooling system on this home, full kitchen, full bathroom, living room, and bedroom, and a staircase in this house, right? Now, if you say, oh, hey, if you want this stained, you want it painted on the inside, you want the bay window, you want the tongue box, we can add that too. But this is the Woody line. This is a flat log, horizontal lap siding right here. We've used this a ton in residential homes, like our cabins that we built up in the mountains. This has got a cabiny look with the board and batten, just like this right here. 2 shed roofs. I like the design. We're trying to make it a little bit different. It gives a lot of volume. There's actually, where the 2 roof systems are different, we got glass up there, right? It will give more light up in the top. So actually, where the bedroom is up here, it is super light because you got the 2 windows here, 2 egress windows up top, staircase in the back. Are we going to walk through it, Amanda?
Yeah, let's take a quick walk through.
So this is 24 foot long, 10 foot wide, right? You do need a special permit to pull it, so it's a permanent home when you get it. It doesn't have to be permanent. You can pull it all the way, but you don't want to be, you can't use it as an RV is what I'm trying to say, okay? And 99% of our homes are usually set up on a permanent foundation, piers. Everybody says, can you put them on a permanent foundation? Of course you can. You jack it up, put them on piers, put skirting around it, you're done, okay? So 10 by 24, 59.9, called the Woody. Do you want to go in or what do you think?
Yeah, let's go inside. Okay. Just a real quick tour, show it.
Watch these steps.
I know.
I know, look, it's like somebody put a firecracker underneath.
I know, exactly.
Here, let me help you up.
Yeah.
All right.
Got it. Okay.
There you go.
Put my umbrella right there.
Look at this. Now, the bay window does not come included in the house. So if you want a bay window, we can include that. Just get on our website, call us at 423-438-0111 or go to sales@incredibletinyhomes.com, info@incredibletinyhomes.com, and we'll help you with the extra amenities that can go with the Woody, right?
Yeah.
What comes with the Woody is your stovetop, range hood, microwave, kitchen, the farm-style sink, the gooseneck faucet, mini split, okay?
Yep.
In the living room, the windows that would come in here, these are called 3.0, 4.0, right? And you get 3 of them. 1 would go here, and then 1 on each side. 2 sconce lights, ceiling fan, mini split you get, washer and dryer hookup for a stackable unit.
Yep.
Now, if you wanted to do a combo unit here, then you could have a closet here. The beautiful thing about this home is this huge living room that you can do everything you want. You can sleep down here if you like, or you can have a big living room. This will have a closet door to cover the washer and dryer. But, and this is off-grid, this home here has got some added features to it. But what I love about this home is the closet space.
Yes.
Look at this right here. This is a pantry. These doors are included. This is what's included in this floor plan. So you can put shelving, you can leave it tall, you can put clothes in here if you like. Then you have another closet right here. It's a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Right?
Another pantry, closet, whatever you want to call it.
This door actually covers
that. Let me back up and show that.
Yeah, that actually covers that up. Watch out, buddy.
Absolutely.
I'm going to close him up in there. So you get the butcher block countertops, you get 3 cabinets in here.
And that's our nice cabinets. That is the same cabinet that goes into the RJO, just so everybody knows.
They're maple.
Yep.
You can see the dovetail joinery.
Yep.
And
beautiful.
They're strong, they're soft close.
Anti-slam.
Yep. And then your bathroom has got a 36-inch shower, big shower. So we put the 36-inch, the vanity. Now this is, of course, this home is off-grid, so you get a regular toilet. Yeah. And
it has a electric water heater, not a tankless gas.
So because it's off-grid, that tankless water heater had to go there. Your electric water heater will go underneath the steps right around the corner. But you get a 36-inch shower, some storage here.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of closet space in this home, which is rarity in tiny homes and really one that we've not been able to incorporate in a lot of our models.
That's right. And of course, you get the little sink too as well with the cabinet. Let me try to turn around here and show the other
Yeah,
side.
so the vanity's included, a regular toilet, not a compost toilet, but
Now,
we can swap that out.
Where will your water heater go, the electric water heater?
Underneath the steps out here.
Okay, underneath the
And this
steps.
won't be here.
Okay.
Yep. And so this area is another area for clothes, closets.
But you can do storage.
Whatever. It's more storage. So we've
Okay.
got storage, wash and dryer behind that wall.
Yep.
And then a vanity, or a pantry on the other side of that one in the kitchen.
Got it. Okay.
So I came in here. I don't know what's going on with these rails.
I
These
just
are not,
seen
they're not
that.
done yet.
I know. Come on,
These were
Ace.
not, they're not incorporated in the design, so I
Right.
don't know if the homeowner has called and said, hey, can you
And
add
requested
something
them?
here?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. We just walked in here and seen this.
Yep. Okay.
But what I like about coming in here from the front door is so you come in, you're immediately, hey, it's almost like a little kind of a mudroom area, like an area you can kick off your boots, kick them in here. That's where the water heater will go.
Okay.
All right. So then the Woody line does not come finished polyurethane on the inside or the outside. Now
Yep.
it's weatherproof by caulked and it's all trimmed out. But if you want to stain it, you'll stain it yourself. That's why it's $59.9. Now,
Yeah.
if you want us to completely stain the outside, polyurethane, or paint the inside, we're going to paint all the trim, poly the ceilings and the trim like we do all our models. Let us know if you want that added package. That would be the Woody Line Deluxe. And
Right.
we don't mind doing that for you.
And we've got that priced out for you.
We sure do.
So,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And then
Okay.
up top, you've got a big old loft. I don't have my tape
here,
on me.
Ace.
I'm pretty sure it's 10 by 10.
Yeah.
Another 100 square feet.
Let me take a peek up there
Go ahead
really
up there.
quick.
Yep. Let me go up there with
Yeah. Kind of show the scale of it.
you. And we've done this before. I know you guys have seen this video, but we were
Yeah.
walking past the Woody Line. And so, as you can see, this is just made for a bed. I'm crawling around on my hands and knees because this is just for a bed.
Look at Ace up there.
I always tell everybody, don't have a closet up here because you're going to have to
No.
carry them and carry your clothes or throw them down and then carrying them back up. That's why I love this Woody Line with the closet space in the back.
Now that board's been added.
Homeowner.
So I bet the homeowner has added the railing and this board on there. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there you have it.
This is really big up here. And you got the
What do you
two
enjoy?
egress. See how big the egress windows? I like these better than what we used to have, like the square ones. I like this shape, a more like rectangle.
They're 2x4.
I like
Yep.
that. And love the fixed glass right here.
Lot of
That's
glass,
just
a lot
going to
of
be
light.
super
Man,
nice.
It's just so neat. The mini split, the air coming up in here does great. Great design. $59.9, everybody. Give us a call. This is the Woody Line. These will be manufactured probably by our Amish, and it's exciting because it's all wood.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. All right.
Ace. All right, Ace, you ready? Come on, ready? Come on. Let's go. You gonna do some push-ups with me? Come on.
You gonna do it, Ace?
Rawr.
You gonna do push-ups?
Rawr.
You gonna do the push-ups?
Come on.
Look, Reedy, he's gonna do them with you.
Jump up. Jump up. Come
Get
on.
on there, Ace.
Come on. Come on. Keep going.
Do it.
All right, everybody. Thank you. Give us a call. Buy a Woody.
Yeah.
Bye. Wah. Ah.